In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal in Fiverr. So to do this, what you're going to do is just open up Fiverr and go to My Business and then go into your earnings. Now from here, you want to then click Add Payout Method and then go and select PayPal account and select the currency that you want to receive the money in and click Continue. Now here, enter the verification code that will be sent to your phone number and click Submit. Then from there, click Continue to PayPal and then it will redirect you to PayPal where you can go and sign in. Then it will say connect your PayPal account to Fiverr and click Agree and Connect. Then it will redirect you back to Fiverr. And now you can see you have successfully linked your PayPal account. So now you can see under my payout methods, I now have PayPal as one of them. So now you know how to add PayPal in Fiverr. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.